All right, so just wanted to give you all an update on what we're doing this week and some due dates, things like that. So first thing you're gonna want to do, you're gonna want to watch the Ed Puzzle. What do you do when you take notes? It is notes this week. It is new content. You need to write it down. You are going to have to actually turn it in. So use your Chromebook, use your phone, use some kind of device that you can take a picture with, and then you're going to actually upload it to the website. There's a place there for you to upload your notes to so that I can see that you actually wrote them down. Yes, you will be getting some kind of credit just for taking the notes. Next, you will have an Alex assignment. The Alex assignment is going to be open until Sunday. You have Alex topics that you need to do. You need to get 60 of them done, but that's by the end of the quarter. I'm looking for you to do between 7 and 10 this week. If you do 10, then you'll be on track to getting those 60 within like 6 weeks, which is pretty great. The next thing you need to do is a quiz. The quiz is 6 questions. You have 2.5 minutes to do each question, so that means that it is a time limit of 15 minutes per quiz. I have it set that you can do it twice, but it's not a quick retake, it's a full retake. So you can take it again. I'm taking the best score. So if you do a little worse than you did the first time on the second try, I'll take the first score. With that being said, you will also want to have the calculator open before you start the quiz so that you don't use 15 minutes just getting the calculator open. So click the link for the calculator before you start the Alex quiz. I'm trusting you not to use PhotoMath. Please don't use PhotoMath. Actually try. I'm looking for you to show me what you know. It's a knowledge check. It's not like a hard quiz. I'm not grading these things harshly. I'm grading it so that I can see where you are and where we need to go. The next thing I need to talk about is I'm taking the journals out. We're not doing journals. They're just too much extra work for you. It's more work for me to grade. So we're just going to take them out. We're not going to do them. But I am replacing it with something. So what I'm replacing it with is going to be a weekly question. So it's going to be one question. Because it's only one question, it's going to be a little bit longer, so you'll have to maybe do some research. You'll have to answer it in a paragraph. But you'll answer that weekly question. Each weekly question is worth 2 points. But if you do 5, then I'll give you a total of 12 points of extra credit. So every 5 that you do, you'll get a total of 12 points of extra credit in the end. So I think that's pretty worth it. If you do all 9, then I don't know. I'll think about it. Something will happen. The next thing that I have to talk about is spring break. That weekly question will be up here on the side. It'll say weekly question on it. If you need to make up assignments from last week, that's also over here on the side. Over here, maybe I'm pointing at it. It's probably pretty close. Over there on the side, it says Quarantine Week 1. It's just the assignments from the first week that we had assignments. All of those assignments are open until the 11th. It says that on the page as well. So last week's assignments are open until the 11th. That's Saturday. This week's assignments are going to be due on the 12th. So that's Sunday. So you have until Saturday to get last week's assignments done if you didn't finish them. And you have until Sunday to get this week's assignments done. I have them set open so that you can turn them in late, but remember I take credit for being late. So keep that in mind. You have 7 days to complete 4 assignments. The next thing that I have to tell you is spring break. We are technically taking a spring break. There will be no assignments posted next week. So from the 13th to whatever date that is, there won't be any assignments posted. I'll have the next week of assignments posted that Sunday. After that, we'll just keep going. So make sure you're staying in contact. If you haven't signed up for Remind yet, please do so. That's the quickest way for me to contact you. I'll also be sending messages over Alex. So if you're not signed up for Remind or can't, then you'll still receive the information. I think that's all I have to say. If you have questions, you can message me on Remind. You can leave something in the suggestion box again. Many of you did last week. You can leave a comment. You can email me. There are several ways to get a hold of me. If you need your Alex information, remember that's under classroom resources. Go there. It's there, I promise. I didn't hide it from all of you. So if you need that information, go to classroom resources. We're only using Alex this week in Edpuzzle. I left the Edpuzzle codes on here as well, so if you need your Edpuzzle code, you can still get it. Hopefully you all have a great week. I miss all of you. I wish we were in class and not at our homes. So hopefully you have a great week. Bye.